Bird's eye view. Welcome. Make yourself comfortable. Return to yourself in this moment and take a long exhale, just like a long sigh. I am going to guide you through imagining a series of birds. Birds come in so many colors and sizes and make distinctive movements and sounds. By bringing different birds into your imagination, one after another, you are being invited into a deep experience of the possibilities for transformation and awareness of how the point of view you take in any given moment affects your level of attention, sense of freedom, and sense of aliveness to each of life's experiences. Do your best to truly imagine being each bird in turn. And as you imagine this, notice how you are drawn to certain qualities more than others. There's no need to make any judgments about this. Just allow yourself to notice. Let's begin by imagining yourself as a hummingbird. Feel the delicacy of your small frame. Be aware of your shining feathers in gem tones of green, purple, red. Your wings beat so rapidly they are a blur of color. Notice how you're able to move at lightning speed, quickly and accurately, moving from flower to flower, and then achieve an instant, hovering stillness. Move, hover. Move, hover. Now, transform into a chickadee, sensing your small, plain gray and white body and striking black cap. Imagine the lightness of flitting from branch to branch. You take in your surroundings by moving your head in sharp, short movements and produce your simple two-note song. Flit to the next branch. Again, send out your song, alert to a response from another chickadee on another branch in another tree. Next, you are a barn swallow with deep blue wings and a long forked tail. You sense the elegant curvature of your wings, allowing you to glide effortlessly in a large, swooping curve. You snatch bugs from the air as you fly. You are capable of taking sips from the stream as you skim the surface of the water. Finally, tuck yourself into the space above the rafters in the ceiling of the barn, where you have begun to build a nest. Grow a little larger now, and you transform into a robin. You are poised for action, standing in green grass early in the morning when it's bright and fresh. Sense your expansive red breast. Cock your head to one side, deftly pluck a worm from the soil, and hop further, looking for the next one. Hop, pluck, hop again. Now, imagine what it would be like to transform into an owl. Notice the thickness of your feathers, retaining warmth even through the coldest of nights. Your large golden eyes allow you to see perfectly by the light of the smallest sliver of moon. Nighttime is yours as you extend your wings and push off from a thick tree branch, sure of your path through the air. As you settle onto another branch, you marvel at your own ability to swivel your head, casting your gaze in a wide circle. Now imagine you grow much larger. You are a swan. Your neck is long, curving, lending an air of gracefulness to each movement. You wear a mysterious mask above your deep orange beak. Feel what it is to glide silently across a mirror-smooth lake. And now transform again, and you are a heron with blue-gray feathers, tall stick-like legs, and a slim head atop another long, curved neck. You have only to think of being somewhere, and you lean into the air, moving your powerful wings. You ascend, having a full view of the fields and plains as you fly on and on until it is the right time to rest. Finally, you become a sea pelican with an enormously long beak and pouch and an extensive wingspan. From the outside, your body seems impossibly large and heavy, but from the inside, you know that you can easily lift off from the ground or water whenever you want and fly for hours and hours with your flock, sharing the sky, experiencing together the absolute freedom of flight. You dive into the salty water, scoop up both water and fish, and soar right back into the blue sky. Lift off and upwards. Dive. Soar upwards again. Adjust your flight with the slightest of movements in your wings. From so high up, you are aware of the narrow beach on the coastline, and on your other side, you are aware of the ocean bounding on and on, well past the horizon. Which bird are you drawn to? Is there one you can easily imagine being? Or maybe a different bird altogether? Or a bird that exists only in your wildest dreams? Sense which bird is right for you. Fully embody this bird for just a moment or two. Sense the way you move. What you see from that bird's eyes. The feeling inside of this particular body. The freedom to take to the air, heedless of the concerns of humanity below, at one with the air above you, beneath you, behind you, and in front of you. As best you can, draw the totality of this experience into your very center, making space inside of yourself for feeling entirely free and fully alive. Now, Gently sigh, returning as always to the breath. Gently inhale, exhale, remembering the magic to transform yourself in any way you choose.